The movie Metropolis, made in 1927, directed by Fritz Lang, is a well-known sci-fi movie. It's famous for its incredible production design and the deep themes it explores. During the film, a production design example that I noticed is that the city Metropolis is very striking. It has tall skyscrapers, elevated highways, and a clear divide between the rich and the poor areas. The rich live in a beautiful, modern upper city. The workers live in a dark, industrial lower city. This contrast shows the difference in their living conditions. A real world issue or philosophical idea is that Metropolis explores the issues of class struggle. The rich live in luxury while the workers suffer in harsh conditions. The film suggests that the heart should mediate between the head, the thinkers, and the hands are the workers. Frieder, the ruler's son, becomes this mediator. And Lang's message is that empathy and understanding are needed to unite different social classes. I think that the director's message is that when Lang criticizes the negative effects of industrialization and the exploitation of workers, he warns against a society that values technology and money over people. This film calls for a more humane and fair society. Lang's message is hopeful, emphasizing compassion and collective action to bridge social divides. One notable science fiction film influenced by Metropolis is Blade Runner, made in 1982, directed by Ridley Scott. In Metropolis, the city is depicted with towering skyscrapers, elevated highways, and a stark contrast between the luxurious upper city and the grimy lower city. This visual style is mirrored in Blade Runner, which features a dystopian Los Angeles with massive futuristic buildings, flying cars, and a dark, rain soaked atmosphere. Both films use these elements to create a sense of sprawling, oppressive urban environment. That is the connection between production design. Now, for thematic connection, Metropolis explores themes of class struggle and the dehumanizing effects of industrialization. The film portrays a society divided between the wealthy elite and the oppressed workers. Similarly, Blade Runner delves into issues of identity, humanity, and the ethical implications of artificial intelligence. The replicants in Blade Runner represent a marginalized group, much like the workers in Metropolis. Both films question what it means to be human and critique societies that prioritize technological advancement over human welfare. For the director's message, Fritz Lang's Metropolis warns against the dangers of society that values technological and economic gain over human welfare. Ridley Scott's Blade Runner continues with this critique by exploring the consequences of creating life through artificial means and moral responsibilities that come with it. Both directors emphasize the need for empathy and ethical considerations in the face of technological progress. These connections highlight how Metropolis has influenced the visual and thematical elements of later science fiction films like Blade Runner.